Meet the chameleon, a master of disguise and one of nature's most fascinating reptiles. Chameleons have incredible eyesight, with each eye moving separately, allowing them to see in two directions at once. Their tongues can be twice the length of their body, striking prey in just a fraction of a second. Contrary to popular belief, chameleons don't just change color to blend in. They do it to communicate and regulate their body temperature. Their color changes depend on mood, temperature, and light, thanks to special skin cells called chromatophores. Their specialized feet, with 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, help them grip branches securely. Their tails act like an extra limb, allowing them to balance and hold onto branches effortlessly. To avoid detection, chameleons move in a swaying motion, blending in perfectly with the rustling leaves. Baby chameleons hatch fully developed and start climbing just moments after birth. They adjust their body color to absorb or reflect heat, helping them regulate their body temperature. Found mostly in Africa and Madagascar, these reptiles thrive in forests, deserts, and even mountains. With sharp vision and a powerful tongue, they can capture prey from impressive distances. Their camouflage abilities make them one of nature's greatest illusionists. They get most of their water by licking dew and raindrops from leaves in their habitat. Color changes are also a form of communication, helping them signal aggression or attract mates. Despite their slow movements, chameleons are highly efficient hunters and expert survivors. These fascinating reptiles remind us of the incredible adaptability of nature. A true master of disguise, the chameleon continues to amaze us with its hidden talents.